Hey guys, my name is Cydia and today I'm going to show you how you can jailbreak your PS3. First of all, you're gonna download this file that is going to be on the description below. You will have all these files in it. You just need to grab them and pass them to your USB. Your USB needs to be formatted to FAT32, like so. Once you have all the files on your USB, you can plug it on the right side of your USB port. Once you are on the PS3, you're gonna go to settings, system update, update via storage media, install version 4.85.1 hybrid firmware, press OK, accept the terms and start the installation. Now that you have your hybrid firmware installed, you're gonna go to your internet browser. We're gonna change some settings here. We're gonna change the home page to use a blank page. Press OK. Now let's search for PS3exploit.com. You will get this page. You're gonna press select and add to bookmarks. Have it there so you can access it easily. Now we close our browser, open it up, delete your cookies, delete your search history, and delete your cache. This is so the browser doesn't overload when performing the jailbreak. Now close it again, open it up, press select. You have your bookmark there. Open up the page, go to the top bar and select PS3 hen, and then hen installer alternate. Press there. You're gonna get this page. What you're going to do, you're gonna put it on the bookmark also. Now we're gonna go to tools, delete cookies, delete search history, delete cache, and close your application. Now go again to the internet browser, press select and choose hen install. Once you're here, you're gonna prepare the jailbreak. Now it's done. From here, you have your instructions on the page. Close browser, open remote play and quit immediately. Use new icon to download and install hen, and reboot after installation. So we're gonna get out of the browser, go to remote play, back out, and you will see your hen enabled. Install hen, press X, yes, Wait for the installation to complete. Once it has completed, you just turn off. Now you will see the chicken egg to your right side. That means you're fully jailbroken on your PS3. Go to your account. So this is how you install and jailbreak your PS3. To enable the jailbreak, you're gonna press on the chicken egg that says enable hen. Press enable hen. As you can see, it works perfectly. Now you have your package manager installer. Now that you have your PS3 jailbroken, stay tuned to my next video. I'm gonna show you how you can download any game for free. Like, comment, share and subscribe. On the left you will see my last jailbreak tutorial on how to jailbreak iOS 13, and on the right you're gonna see some awesome Cydia tweaks for your iOS device.